Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a breakfast dish. So think along the lines of avo toast, just on a whole other level. So it's a bit like avo toast, but it's also a little bit like Turkish eggs. So we'll get underway and you'll see what I mean. Guys, I hope if you like this video that you'll give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So we need some eggs. Breakfast time, of course, we need eggs. And I'm poaching the eggs, so we'll get that underway first. Then using a cup or a ramekin or something, just crack the egg into that. Perfect. Now, and since I'm using lime in this video anyways, in this recipe I should say, rather than adding vinegar into the water the egg poaches in, I'm just going to squeeze half the juice of a lime just into the egg. Just give that a little shake about just so that the lime juice surrounds the egg. This will help it really form when it goes in. It almost shocks the egg into sealing itself. And poaching an egg isn't really that difficult. So you want your water almost at boiling point, but you do not want it to have any roaring bubble. This will make your water go all murky and break your egg up. So just gently slip this into the water. And that can sit there for a moment. Now, next we'll get on with our avo part. So I need an avocado. Just cut that in half. Cut around the stone. And pray for a good avocado. Ah, perfect. Just what I wanted to see. Scrape every last bit of that out. I love that sound. And that's how you remove the stone if you find it difficult. Going to add the remaining half of the lime, the juice, to that avocado. This will just prevent the avocado from browning while it sits. Good amount of salt. Salt with eggs is always good. So this is what I meant by the Turkish eggs element. Now obviously Turkish eggs would use Turkish yogurt, but I can't get that, so Greek yogurt suffices. So I just want a tablespoon of that, and this makes the guacamole so creamy. Half a clove of garlic. And just mix that together. Perfect. I can set aside just a moment. Next for the sauce, so I have some spicy chorizo sausage here. Now you can, of course, if you like, if you're not a fan of too much heat, you can get that sort of the more mild, sweeter one. And I want about 75 grams, not an awful lot. Just chop that up. Get some heat on under a small pan. Just add the chorizo in there, and as that warms through and cooks, it will release some oil, and this will become the basis for our sauce. Right, I better get my toast underway. Get this all ready. Scrape your guacamole into the base of a bowl or plate, whatever you like. Mound it there. My chorizo was smelling great and it started to release its oils already. My poached egg is just about there. So lift that out. And on that goes. To help really transform my chorizo into a sauce, I want a little butter. Not much more than what you would use really to butter a slice of toast. And I do like quite a bit of heat, so I'm heightening the heat with a few chili flakes. That's it, guys. The sauce is ready. Just spoon that over. It's like chorizo confetti. My toast is ready. I think good bread's always essential with breakfast. This is so good. I honestly can't tell you just explain how good this is. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And guys, as always, thanks for watching, and please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I'm gonna finish my breakfast.